So hello everyone. I am going to discuss some multiple choice question for prop test. Okay, which will help you for the NET entomology or BPSC plant protection officer. So this is the first question. Which pest of paddy belongs to the family Coridae? It is rice bug. Okay, so maximum losses in paddy field due to attack with same population size stem borer in which stage? It is flowering stage. Okay, maximum loss to paddy is caused by yellow stem borer in which of the state? It is Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following is a diphtheria pest of rice? Diphtheria is rice whole maggot. Option 4. Which of the following is a monophacous pest of rice? This is obvious. It is yellow stem borer. 6. Dead heart of rice is caused by 6A, that is yellow stem borer. Dead heart is caused by yellow stem borer. Then onion leaf symptom of rice is caused by gall midge. Okay. White parallel stick of leaves along the leaf axis of rice is caused by rice hispa. Okay, so white parallel stick along the leaf axis, it is rice hispa, and onion leaf symptom gall midge. Cut leaf bit floating in the rice is characteristic symptom of rice cageworm. Marginal rolling in rice seedling is the damage symptom of 10D, that is the rice thrip. Okay, so marginal rolling in rice seeding, that is rice thrips. Individual grains became white and chaffy due to the attack of what? Gandhi bug. Okay, so it is white, become white and chaffiness of grain, that is the Gandhi bug. Okay, so increased silica content affect the mandibular development of yellow stem borer or what? Leaf folder. Okay, so increased silica content affect the mandibular development of leaf folder. In rice, clipping of seedling tip before transplanting is done to remove egg masses of 13A, that is येलो स्टेम बोरा. तो क्लिपिंग ऑफ सीडलिंग टिप को हम क्लिप कर देते हैं ट्रांसप्लांटिंग से पहले, जैसे कि हम उस पर एग मास उसमें मतलब एग मास उस पर जमा नहीं हो सकते. ओके, सो मीरियड बग साइटोराइनस लिविडिपेनिस इज द नेचुरल एनिमी ऑफ, it is 14 number C. Okay, this is brown plant hopper. In paddy, the elongation of leaf sheath when infected by gall midge is due to a chemical known as which one? 15 number D, that is the cecidogen. Okay, so white earhead in paddy is caused by yellow stem borer. Yellow stem borer hibernates as larva. Then Hieroglyphus nigropectus is the scientific name of what? Rice grasshopper. Okay, is the rice grasshopper. Hieroglyphus nigropectus. Hopper one. Okay, hopper one appears in rice, mainly in rice. और वो इसको कौन कॉज करता है? दिस इज मेनली कॉज्ड बाय ब्राउन, what is brown stem borer? No, it's brown plant hopper. Hopper one caused by brown plant hopper. Okay, BPH. So sorghum aphid is scientifically known as sorghum aphid. Okay, so this is 20A, like Hysteroneura ceteria. Okay, the older rice leaves fasten along with the longitudinal margin is due to 21B, Naphthalocrosis medinalis. Okay, so older leaves fasten, rice leaf fasten along with the longitudinal margin due to Naphthalocrosis medinalis. So borer of ragi is scientifically known as Chilopatellus. Okay, sorghum shoot fly lay eggs on upper surface of the leaf. 23B. Earhead midge is scientifically known as 24A, that is Calocorus angustratus. Earhead midge of sorghum, that is the sorghum pest, that is the earhead midge Kylocoris angustitis. Then Gujia oval, Gujia. We all love Gujia. That is the Gujia oval is the important paste of wheat. Okay, so Gujia oval, important paste of wheat. Okay, that is the serious paste of Joer and Bajra. Okay, so which is the serious paste of Joer and Bajra? The 26, it is the B. Okay, maize. Then 27, maize stem borer hibernates in the larval state. Maize stem borer hibernates in larval stage. Yellow stem borer also hibernates in larval stage. In sorghum, dead heart with more side tiller is characteristic symptom of which one? 28A, that is the soot fly. Okay, so dead heart in rice, it is like yellow stem borer, but dead heart with more side tiller, that is sorghum. Which one? Sorghum soot fly. Okay, sorghum grain formation has been stopped due to the feeding of grain formation in sorghum like stopped due to the feeding of Contarinea sorgicola, that is the sorghum maize. Okay, so sorghum maize fed all the grains. Okay, so that's why grain formation stopped due to the feeding of the this pest, the Contarinea sorgicola. Okay, which of the following is a pest अटैक राइस क्रॉप ड्यूरिंग मिल्किंग स्टेज? कौन सा ऐसा क्रॉप है जो अटैक करता है राइस क्रॉप को मिल्किंग स्टेज में? बताओ. This is 30D, that is the Mythimna separata. Okay. The soot fly female lay white elongated cigar-shaped eggs singly. Okay, so sorghum soot fly female lay white elongated cigar-shaped egg singly in which one? Okay, the first one, that is the under surface of the leaves parallel to the midrib. Okay, this is on the surface of the leaves parallel to the midrib. Attack on which insect may be recognized by unpleasant smell from rice field? It is always Gandhi bug. The unpleasant smell, the Gandhi bug that release. Okay, so 32C. Then 33, that is the notorious pest of Joer and Bajra, that is the sorghum maize. I already discussed that the maize. So notorious pest of Joer and Bajra, that is sorghum maize. Which of the following is used for the management of soot fly in sorghum? Okay, so the early sowing, yes. High seed rate and fish meal trap, yes. Application of granular insecticide in hole, yes. All the above. The option D, 34D. Which insect? 35. Which insect feeds on the silk and developing cobs of the maize? Okay, so 35, that is A, Helicoverpa armigera. It feeds in the silk and developing cob of the maize. Helicoverpa armigera, that is 1, A. 36, which is the pest attack the wheat crop? So it is A, B and C, like all of the. So D, all of the above. So root aphid also attack wheat crop, termite also, stemmer also. Most notorious pest of wheat, that is 37, that is B. Okay, so termite is the most notorious pest of wheat. All the pests like the root aphid, termite, stem borer, all affect wheat crop, but termite is the most notorious pest of wheat. And I already discussed Gujia oval is the pest of wheat. Okay, so that is 38. Dead hat in the central shoot of wheat is caused by 38.1. So it is stem borer. Presence of large number of ants at the base of finger millet plant is characteristic symptom of ragi root aphid. 39A. प्रेजेंस ऑफ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ आंट, जब बहुत सारा आंट देखने को मिलता है फिंगर मिलेट के प्लांट के बेस में, सो ये एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है रूट एफिड का. ओके, डेड हार्ट विथ चफी ईयरेड इन रागी इज कॉज ड्यू टू, it is B. Okay, so stem borer, whenever is dead hat is stem borer. Okay, So stem borer is common to which of the following group? So stem borer is common to which of the following group? Option A, B, C and D. Okay. So rice, wheat, sugarcane. The stem borer is common. Okay. So option number A. In mustard, early sowing is recommended to control 42. That is B. Early sowing is usually recommended to control the aphid. In 43 in sorghum, which of the following pests attack the crop exclusively after 1 month? ओके लाइक कौन सा पेस्ट ऐसा ऐसा है जो कि अटैक करता है आफ्टर 1 मंथ के बाद sorghum में? ओके, तो दिस इज स्टेम बोरर. तो sorghum स्टेम बोरर जो होता है 1 मंथ आफ्टर 1 मंथ वो अटैक करता है. Then 44A, that is the basic of antibiosis in corn against Helicobacter GI is, that is lethal silk factor. Okay, so कॉर्न में बेसिस ऑफ एंटीबायोसिस अगेंस्ट हेलिकोवर्पा में क्या है ना, लिथल सिल्क फैक्टर 44A. ओके, सो 45 द बेसिस ऑफ एंटीबायोसिस इन मेज यूरोपियन कॉर्न बोरोन में कौन सा है ना, 45B. दैट इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ग्रोथ इनिबिटर, दैट एम्बिओआ एंड इम्बोआ. ठीक है, एम्बिओआ एंड DIMBOA, निम्बोआ एंड एम्बोआ. वो ग्रोथ इनिबिटर के प्रेजेंस की वजह से, मतलब प्रेजेंस जो होता है वो बेसिस होता है एंटीबायोसिस का, जो कि यूरोपियन कॉर्न बोरोर में. और एंटीबायोसिस अगेंस्ट हेलिकोवर्पा GI वो होता है लिथल सिल्क फैक्टर. ओके, देन 46 which pest of maize belongs to family Pyralidae. ओके, सो कौन सा पेस्ट ऑफ मेज है जो कि पायरालिडाई फैमिली को बिलोंग्स करता है? ओके, सो पायरालिडाई. तो ऑफकोर्स चिल्लोपैटिलस. ओके, आथिरोगोना सोकाटा commonly known as Athyrogona socanata is 47A, that is the sorghum shoot fly, and sorghum shoot fly symptom is dead heart with more cytiller. Okay, then occurrence of white parallel stick along leaf axis in rice, that is the white parallel stick along the leaf axis, that is the Dicladispa armigera. Hopper borne symptom in rice caused by brown plant hopper, also white backed plant hopper, BPH and WBPH, so both. So it is 49C. So 50, the cutting and nibbling of rice plant is caused by, so cutting and nibbling, that is the which one? That is the C. Okay, so rice grasshopper scientific name is what? Hieroglyphus nigro reflectus. Okay, Hieroglyphus banyan, Hieroglyphus reflectus, that is the rice grasshopper, that is the cutting and nibbling of rice plant is caused by rice grasshopper. Then 51, Joer stem borer belongs to the family which one? So it is Cerambicidae. Okay, so Joer stem borer belongs to the family Cerambicidae. Then clipping of young rice leading to destroy the egg mass. ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. राइस सीडलिंग को हम क्लिप कर देते हैं ट्रांसप्लांटिंग से पहले, क्योंकि हम लोग को एग मास का डिस्ट्रॉय करना है. वो है येलो स्टेम बोरर. व्हेन डेड हार्ट इन व्हीट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सिम्टम ऑफ. सो आई ऑलरेडी ऑल्सो डिस्कस्ड कि वेदर देर इज अ डेड हार्ट, दैट इज द स्टेम बोरर, बट डेड हार्ट विथ साइड टिलर, दैट इज sorghum shoot fly. Okay, so paste of maize feed on silk and developing cough, this also discussed, that is Helicoverpa armigera. 55, that is Raphalocyphomydis is also known as what? Rhaphelospermidis is aphid. Okay, which of the aphid feeds on pulses? The Apis crassivora that feed on pulses. So aphid crassivora that is feed on pulses. Rhaphelosperm maidis, you know, it feeds on the maize. Rhaphelosperm maidis. Apis crassivora feed on the pulses, and Livavis erythema in the mustard. Okay. Then circular hole, gram pod, and plugged by head and head boy larva is major damaging symptom of what? Circular hole of gram pod and plugged by head or body of the larva is the damaging symptom of what? That is 57B, ग्राम पर border. सर्कुलर होल जो कर लेता है ग्राम के पॉड में, ओके, और प्लॉक्ड बाय हेड और बॉडी ऑफ द लार्वा, तो उसको किसका सिम्टम है? ग्राम पॉड बोरर के. ठीक है. देन लास्ट क्वेश्चन, पेस्ट ऑफ पल्सेस अटैक ऑन बोथ फील्ड एंड स्टोर. ओके, so this is pulse beetle. Okay, this is false beetle. The pest of pulses attack on both field and store. So I thought we'll do two more questions. That is, Acaria cajani belongs to the which family? Then 59 A. Okay, so it is Eriophyte. Acaria cajani belongs to the family Eriophyte cajanus. Withering, the question number 60, the withering patches and drying of groundnut is caused by, that is 60B, that is the holotrichia consanguinea. Okay, so withering patches, drying